Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Ease. I'm Mia.
Hi, Mia. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. I'm so happy to be back with you today.
Me too, Leo. Today, we have a fun topic, daily English conversations.
Yes, daily conversations are very useful. You can use them every day at home, at work, or with friends.
Absolutely. And today, we will make it easy and fun for you.
Before we start, everyone, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you. Now, let's start. Are you ready, Leo?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Mia. I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm very good. I'm excited to talk about our daily conversations today.
That's wonderful. Let's start with a simple question. How do you usually greet people?
Well, a simple hello or hi, how are you? Is perfect.
Yes. For example, hi Mia. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Exactly. You can also say, I'm good. How about you?
That's right. These are simple greetings, and you can use them every day.
Let's practice a short conversation. You say first.
Hi, Leo. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
Perfect. That's a simple daily greeting.
You can also add more details, like, I'm a little tired today, or I'm feeling happy.
Yes. For example, hi Mia. How are you today?
I'm feeling happy because it's sunny outside. And you?
I'm a little tired, but I'm excited to talk with you.
See? That's very natural and friendly.
Now, let's talk about asking and answering questions about daily life.
Yes. For example, what do you usually do in the morning?
Great question. Let me answer. In the morning, I usually wake up at 7 a.m., take a shower, and have breakfast.
Perfect. You can also ask, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. What about you, Mia?
I usually eat cereal with milk. Sometimes I have fruit too.
Nice. Let's make it a short conversation.
Hi, Leo. What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., take a shower, and have breakfast. And you, Mia?
I usually eat cereal with milk and sometimes fruit.
Great. You see, it's simple and easy to follow.
You can also talk about other parts of the day. For example, in the afternoon, I usually go shopping or take a walk.
Yes. Or, I work in the afternoon and sometimes meet friends after work.
Exactly. And in the evening, I usually cook dinner and watch TV or read a book.
You can ask your friend, what do you usually do in the evening?
Yes, that's very useful. Conversations are easy when you talk about your daily routine.
Now let's talk about hobbies and things we like.
Good idea. I like painting and drawing.
Nice. I like playing soccer and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music and sometimes jazz. And you, Mia?
I like classical music and soft jazz.
That's great. You can also talk about sports. I play soccer with my friends every Saturday.
Or I go jogging in the park in the morning.
You can ask your friend, "What are your hobbies?"
Yes. For example, Leo, what are your hobbies?
I like playing soccer, listening to music, and watching movies. What about you, Mia?
I like painting, reading books, and sometimes baking cakes.
That's so interesting. You can also ask, "Do you like movies?"
Yes. I love watching movies, especially comedies.
I love movies too, but my favorite is action movies.
See? That's how you can talk about your hobbies and likes.
You can also describe how often you do these activities. I usually paint every weekend, or I play soccer every Saturday.
Yes. Or I read books every evening before bed.
Exactly. That helps your friend understand your routine and interests.
Next, let's talk about things we like and don't like.
Yes, this is fun. Let's start with food.
Okay. Leo, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. I love spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Yum. My favorite food is pizza. I love cheese pizza.
And what food do you not like?
I don't like olives. They are too bitter for me.
I don't like very spicy food. It's too hot for me.
You can also talk about drinks. I like coffee, but I don't like tea.
Yes. Or, I like juice, but I don't like soda.
Talking about likes and dislikes is a good way to describe yourself.
Exactly. And you can ask, "What food do you like?" Or "What food do you not like?"
Yes, simple sentences are enough.
Now, let's talk about daily life in more detail.
For example, in the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m., take a shower, and have breakfast.
In the afternoon, I work, study, or meet friends.
In the evening, I cook dinner, watch TV, or read a book.
On weekends, I visit my friends, go to the park, or go shopping.
You can also talk about your family. I live with my parents or I live with my friends.
Or, I have a brother and a sister, or I have a cat named Luna.
Pets are also a fun topic. I have a dog. His name is Max. He is very friendly.
Yes, I have a cat named Coco. She is very cute and sleepy.
You can describe your pet's color, size, and personality.
Exactly. Max is brown and very playful, or Coco is white and very quiet.
Now, let's talk about feelings and emotions.
Good idea. For example, I feel happy when I meet my friends.
I feel tired when I wake up early.
I feel excited when I travel or try something new.
I feel relaxed when I read a book or listen to music.
You can ask your friend, "How do you feel today?"
Yes, I feel happy. And you?
Simple sentences are enough. You can also say, "I feel a little nervous," or "I feel very excited."
Mia. Let's practice a complete conversation about daily life.
Hi Mia. How are you today?
I'm happy. I woke up early and went for a walk. And you, Leo?
I'm a little tired, but I'm excited to talk with you.
That's great. What did you do this morning?
I had breakfast, read the news, and played some music.
Nice. I painted a picture and drank coffee.
What are your plans for the afternoon?
I will study English and then cook lunch. What about you?
I will work on my computer and go shopping later.
Sounds good.
Yes. Talking about your daily routine is easy and fun.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comments section and tell us about yourself.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name is your name. I'm from your country. My favorite hobby is your hobby.
Or, I like your favorite food and your favorite activity.
We would love to read your comments and learn more about you.
Yes, don't be shy. Practice makes perfect.
It was great talking with you today, Mia.
Yes, Leo. I hope our viewers enjoyed this daily conversation practice.
Remember, keep it simple, be friendly, and practice every day.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video.
We will be back soon with another fun English lesson.
Yes. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.
Bye everyone.
Bye.